What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Malik here. It is currently 6:45 a.m. I have my bread here. I'm about to go to school, trade school. If you guys don't know, I go to UTI over in Bloomfield. And it's a pretty good school, pretty good trade school. Where I learn about auto and diesel trucks. Right now, I'm in a course called refrigeration. Hold on, let me eat my bread. And I'm going pretty good so far. My last quiz, I got a 90. Studied real hard for that stuff, man. Refrigeration is tough. But I gotta be there at 7. It's 6:45. We gotta go. We need to beat that rush hour traffic. Not even the rush hour traffic, that real early traffic on Route 3. If you guys know, if you live in Jersey, you know. If you know, you know. I'm just saying. But it's kind of highway. I'm gonna catch you guys when I get to school. Love y'all. Guys, I gotta push it. It's 6:52. I'm almost there. The school's not that far, but with traffic, you never know. Honestly. Oh my God, these bumps! Ooh. Yeah, those bumps suck. I hit those bumps damn near every morning. Excuse my language. I hit it almost every morning. But here's my exit right here. It's about that time. I'm going to the bridge. I'm gonna make this right. Go to school. Guys, I just barely made it. Oh, I can't tell you the time, but just made it. So you saw that M3 though? Oh my God, I don't know whose car is that, but that is beautiful. One day, someday, like Stradman says, he says that. Dang, I just had a brain for it.
You suck.
But yeah, someday, one day, we're gonna get that car, guys. Keep supporting me. Keep subscribing, keep liking, and I promise you I will give y'all the best content I can. Sometimes it's a little hard, you know, to show content. It's a little rough, you know, here and then. But we're gonna push through, you know. There's a little drought. I'm going down like this, but I have to go up. But I gotta keep my mentality up. Alright guys, it is 8:22 right now. I'm currently on break from school, and I never show y'all the aftermath of the headlights. Let me show you the aftermath of the headlights. Also, and I got some high beams. I said high beams. Well, I got high beams and I got low beams. So let me show you guys right quick. Before I go in this store. Holy shit. I almost fell. You didn't see that. Look at it. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. No more of that haziness, man. It's terrible. Also, I got a newer caliper on there. Don't mind the wheels. I know it looks like age, but I'm gonna get it fixed. Relax, just bear with me, okay? A lot of things on this car I gotta get fixed, but that's what it looks like right now. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys the high beams. Oh, somebody in the ARC seat is right behind me. That is the high beams. If you guys can see. It's pretty far. I'm gonna try to show you guys at night after I come off of work, because I'm gonna vlog from there too. So let me turn this car off before somebody try to take my car, and I have to chase him down and I have to beat him up. It's the last thing I have to do, you know what I'm saying? Gotta get gangsta on him, you know what I'm saying? All right, let's hop in this store right quick. All right guys, I'm in Rite Aid right now. I don't know what I should get. Look at all these sick cars here. Yeah. Oh shit! I almost dropped that shit. Shit. God damn it. Alright, wait, let's see what else they have. How you doing, guys? I'm out of school right now, and I hear a noise coming from my left front wheel well. I'm gonna figure out what it is right now, so I'm gonna let you guys know when I get to the house, and then we're gonna lift it up and see what's going on. All right guys, so I took the wheel off and I had noticed what the noise was. So the noise is that the rotor screws is making it loose. So see, it's playing it. See if I can get it from the side. It's playing it, that's what's making that noise. So I'm gonna have to take this caliper off another day, because I gotta go to work. So I gotta take this caliper off, take this rotor off, gotta line it up with the rotor screw, like the little hole thing, and then put it back in. I got the car all jacked up and everything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the wheel back on and then save it for another day. So yeah, still drivable and everything. It's just make that noise, which irritates me. If you're a car guy, you know any noise will kill you, bro. So I'll be right back. I'll put the wheel on, and that's it. I'll be right back. Make sure it's tight again. Remember, people. Oh shit. Okay. Jesus Christ. Oh my God, that light's burning. All right, guys. So this is a sum up of the video. I put my wheel back on. We figured out the issue was I need to put the rotor screw. You see the AirPods? Okay, I'm sorry. I had to put the rotor screw in my rotor. We have a slotted rotor coming for this car. We have some other accessories coming for this car, but I can't tell you. Just wait. If you guys are wondering where I'm at, I look like I'm in the cut. Okay, I may be in the cut. Actually, no, I'm at work, so I have an excuse, so do not judge me. But anyways, yeah, so I'm at work. Everything is fine. Everything's good. Everything's good with the car. I'm in the car right now, just camping out and everything, you know. Just waiting. I'm about to do a double for you guys so I can get stuff for car parts, cameras, GoPros, maybe Insta360 camera. Who knows? You know what I'm saying? But we'll see, you know. But yeah, I love you guys. It's gonna be an outro. I love you guys. Stay happy, stay safe, subscribe, like, share, all that stuff. Guys, I just want to say thank you for 700 mother subscribers. Please keep going. And let's see, you know, once we hit 1,000, you know, maybe I might get another car. Who knows? Maybe I might boost the car. Who knows? Let's see, you know. But yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you later. I'm gonna get ready to go to work. Bye. Love you. Give me a kiss back. Come on. What are y'all doing? Give me a kiss back.